Hello students, good morning to all. Yesterday we completed the lesson number 6 and today we are going to discuss the question answers of section B. In this video, all of you will do the question answer in the fair notebook and send to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now we are moving ahead. First question: who are able to read very well even before reaching the age of 25 years? The answer is at the page number 40, line number 3. There are some rare men who through a kind of inherited literary instincts are able to read very well even before reaching the age of 25 years, but these are great exceptions and the poet is talking or speaking about the average readers. This is the answer number 1. Question number 2. How much is retained in the mind of a reader who reads only for amusement? The person who reads only for amusement only gets the superficial knowledge of a word reading book. He is not able to express the original ideas of the book and he cannot appreciate the hidden meanings of the book. This is the question number 2. Now we are moving to the third question. Why are most of the person unable to express their original opinion about a book? Most of the persons are unable to express their original opinion about a book because they study the books, they read the book only for amusement or to kill time. They are not able to express the original ideas or the hidden meaning of a word reading book. This is the answer number 3. Now we are moving to the fourth question. What does the author mean by hard reading? The author is saying there is a great difference between general reading and hard reading. This is when we read history or philosophy or science, then we do read very thoroughly, studying all the meanings and bearing of text slowly and thinking about it, and this is called hard study. This is the answer number 4. Now we are moving to the fifth question. Explain how according to the Lafcadio Heron, it is the name of the writer, amusement and study are two different things. The writer says there is a great difference between the amusement and the study. We cannot read a worth reading book for amusement. Only the books which don't have any worth reading can be read only for amusement. Now we are moving to the sixth question. What are the chief characteristics of a scientific book? A scientific book is tested by generations, is tested by time. It is based on the continuous experiments and practicals, and the hard study is must or needed for a scientific book. This is the question number 6. Now we are moving to the seventh question. What is the author's opinion about half educated person? हाफ एजुकेटेड पर्सन्स के बारे में ऑथर का क्या ओपिनियन है? हाफ एजुकेटेड पर्सन्स रीड फॉर अम्यूजमेंट and are not to be blamed for it. They are incapable of appreciating the deeper qualities that belong to a really great literature. This is the question number 7. 8. What is the result of habit of discipline formed in a person? Again at the page number 41. Second paragraph. A young man who has passed through a course of university training should discipline himself at an early day, never to read for mere amusement, and once the habit of discipline has been formed, he will find it impossible to read for mere amusement. He will then impatiently throw down any book from which he cannot obtain intellectual food. This is the answer number 8. What do we find when we reread book at the page number 41? Third paragraph. The test of a great book is whether we want to read it only once or more than once. any really great book, we want to read the second time even more than we wanted to really at first time, and every additional time we read it, we find new meanings and new beauties in it. Now we are moving to the last question. Why has reading for mere amusement been compared to narcotic? It is on the page number 41 also. Second para. The habit of reading for amusement becomes with thousands of people exactly the same kind of habit as wine drinking and afim smoking. It is like narcotic, something that helps to pass the time, something that keeps us the perpetual condition of dreaming. तो ये 10 क्वेश्चन आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे.